Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT World Info, and today we are going to talk about how to configure Etherchannel, and I will also note that why we need to configure Etherchannel. So first of all we are going to know that why we need to configure Etherchannel. The Etherchannel is a method of logical binding port or link aggregation. I use two or more cable for sending data for switch 1 to switch 2. It will be logically binds in cable like as when I send data 1048 byte, then it will send automatically divided equally in ports that how many I use to send data. By the help of this, we can provide high speed data rate. So that's why we should use Etherchannel. Let's begin that how to configure Etherchannel. For configuring Etherchannel, we need to create a network. What we have to need, we are going to keep switch. We should always configure on the latest switch for Ethernet channel. So select path is 13,560 switch. I kept a two switch here, and create a connection between two switch. By two or more cable, I use 4 cable for using high speed data, and kept some PC. Okay, so if you want to create VLAN, then you can create VLAN between this switch, but I don't want to create VLAN. I want to save more time for doing this practical, that how to configure Etherchannel. So create a connection between PC. We are looking that it is not configuring like this. It is not working. It is the light is not green. Okay, if the light is green, then you know very well that configured Etherchannel, it will automatically. Okay, so I am going, if the 3 light is will be green, then you should know that it will be configured. So let's configure. Go to first switch 1, enter, go to CLI mode and type here enter. First of all, I would like to tell you that there is 2 way to configure Ethernet channel by the protocol. So first protocol is PAGP, port aggregation protocol. This standard of PAGP is a Cisco proprietary protocol. PAGP has 2 channel modes. They are desirable and auto. In the auto, PAGP does not start any packet negotiation, and in the desirable mode, it initiates for negotiation and try to form a group of Ethernet channel with the other end. Like this, we are looking that in the this is first end and this is end other end. Okay, so this is PAGP, and second protocol is LSCP. LSCP standard for link aggregation protocol is the IEEE open standard protocol, and this has 2 channel modes, namely active channel mode and second is passive channel mode. So active channel mode, it initiates the negotiation and try to form a channel group with the other end, and in the passive mode of LSCP, it does not start link aggregation or packet negotiation. So these are protocol. In this practical, we are going to use a PAGP protocol. Okay, So go to first switch and go on third mode. Now I am under third mode, so follow some these steps. Select ports, whatever you want to trunk. You are looking that this port number is 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3 and 0 by 4. So this is serial number of this port, so I can do this by the int space range space select port F 0 by 1 dash 4. Okay, sorry 4. Okay, it is 4, 0 by 4 and enter. The port has been selected. Now I'm going to trunk of this port. Do you know that why we need to trunk this port? We should always know when we are sending data from one switch to other switch, so there are too much cable, then it will be automatically selected that configured 4 cable like this 4 in 1. It will usually send 4 in 1 cable by the help of. That's why I use trunk, and I selected automatically configured 1 to 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3 and 0 by 4 port will be trunk, and it will be send data from 4 in 1. Okay, so I'm going to trunk this port. Type here switch 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 port space mode trunk, enter. And if you are creating VLAN and you are configuring Ethernet channel on the one or more VLAN, then you should do these steps. Switch port space trunk space ALLOWED allowed VLAN space all. Okay, and enter. Now I'm going to creating channel, so go to exit. No, I don't have to go to exit. Here we can create channel by this, because I selected these all ports. So type here CHANNEL channel hyphen group GROUP space 1 group name 1 and mode space desirable. I'm going to PAGP desirable port. That's why I type here desirable. And on the other switch we have to type auto. Okay, so here I am type here desirable and enter. Okay, now I go to another switch and click on another switch and type go to CLI mode, enter. Again go to third mode conti. Now type here select port int range. Okay, looking that 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4. Okay, so if your port is not serial number, then you can use another steps like this int range. If your port such as you suppose that your port is not serial number, then type this f0 by 1 comma f0 by 0 by 2 comma f0 by 3 comma f0 by 4 and enter. So the port has been selected, and type here. Here we don't have to trunk here because I have already trunk in the previous switch. Okay, so we don't have to trunk here. And I'm going to creating channel. So type here CHANNEL channel hyphen group space 1 space mode space auto. You know very well that on the first switch we type desirable, and on the second switch you have to type auto. Okay, so enter and exit. Along with this, select switch int port, select channel int port hyphen channel 1. Okay, so enter and type here switch port space trunk space trunk allowed space VLAN all. Okay, if you are creating VLAN in this switch, then you should follow these steps. All enter. Okay, so if you want to check that your Ethernet channel make or not, then you can easily check. Go to second mode and type here so ether channel summary. Okay, enter. While looking that your Ethernet channel has been created, this port included in 0x2, 0x1, 0x2, 0x3, 0x4. Okay, so along with this, if you want to check port channel, then you can easily check. Type here so ether channel space port hyphen channel and enter. Here you can check about the port channel. Looking that port channel is 1 which is created, and this duration about has been created. Number of port 4. Okay, so by this way you can check your port channel, and by you are looking that on the switch it has been green, it means it has been configured Ethernet channel. So I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video because it is helpful video and related to education. That's why it's need to share this video. If you don't mind, do comment on my video because I did hard work for you. So I will meet you in the next video. Next video will be, I will tell you that about router configuring on the Cisco packet tracer. So thank you. We will meet on the next video. Bye.